Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my almost daily life with my family, friends, pets, some DIY projects, and even some cooking. So thanks for watching and let's get started. Good afternoon. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm making myself just a simple salad. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat much yet today, so it's just some cheese, lettuce, and bacon bits. And that's about it for now, right, Bella? Yeah? What do you want to do today? What do you want to do? Do you have any ideas what you want to do? You want to get my salad? Oh, I think she wants to go outside. Yeah. So funny, we were watching TV and I looked down and I seen Bella moving all over the place and snoring.
Just gonna go with your file now. And the screen is just back there. You guys put through the food and such. Yeah, that's a big pile. That creeps down that way. Yeah. I've already actually 100 feet long.
And I caught Ringer moving in his sleep too. Sneaker's turn to snore. Morning. I was going to go to the fast food restaurant and get something to eat, but I decided to stay home and make some eggs with ham and a little bit of cheese this morning. And then I might head out in a little bit. I was going to head out and get a haircut. I don't know what this is, some kind of tail growing here, so I'm thinking running over to get a haircut this afternoon or tomorrow, but I can't believe how fast my hair grows. And I think I'll save the rest for the husband. I'm trying one of my LaCroix drinks and they're pretty good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very tasty. Okay, I decided to go get a haircut, Bella and I. And so this is the before and this is the after. I'm so glad I went. The lady that cut my hair has been cutting hair for 30 some years. Super nice. And she got the biggest kick out of Bella sticking her head out of the back window while I was getting a haircut outside the window. But yeah, glad I went. And here's what Ringer's up to.
Has been altered. His brain manipulated by toxoplasma, the same parasite that controls.
Good morning. Not too much going on here today on Sunday. It's cold and rainy out. Not snowing or anything, but it's chilly. And I'm going to make the dogs some wet and dry food, and they seem to like that. Sometimes my husband will put some milk or cream in there, but the dogs are, I think, hungry this morning, so I wanted to get an early start on feeding them. And sometimes Mindy does not want to sit on the floor when we ask her to sit, but she will go over on the rug and sit because she's older and it's just more comfortable for her to go sit on the rug. But anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna feed them this morning. The dog food are huge. It doesn't really show in the picture, but they're pretty big. They're like a quarter size, and I'm not sure what type of dog food it is. My husband got it, but anyway, there is Ringer sitting so patiently for his food, and Mindy, she probably will go over on the rug any second and sit down.
And then she'll sit for me. Yeah. Right, Mindy? Yeah. She likes to sit on the rug. You gonna sit? Gonna sit for me? Yeah. Oh, good girl. Yeah, good Mindy. Look at your eyes. They're glowing today. Must be all that good food. Okay. All right. Time to eat. Your eyes are pretty nice and glowy too.
Here is my lonely piece of lasagna. But I usually don't like to eat lasagna because I'm not supposed to eat all them carbs because my amino acids can't digest it so good. But I'm having lasagna today no matter what anybody says. It's going down. And here is my afternoon coffee. On the brighter side of not being able to eat a lot of carbs, I add wheatgrass to my coffee because that helps build up amino acids. And I did order something else, I can't remember the name right now, but told that wheatgrass helps with the breaking down the the amino acids. It's good for my stomach. It says you can take 5. And sorry about the blurriness and stuff, but yeah, that's what I put in my coffee. So you can see it's a little bit green on the top, but it's actually really good that way. Instead of just taking the tablets and swallowing them, I'll show you what they look like. My husband makes sure he takes his share of vitamins too. Well, thanks for watching today. It's a little short vlog, but this week should be a little bit more busy. I took it easy today on Sunday, and I hope you had a great weekend, and I hope you'll have a great upcoming week. And thanks again for watching. I hope you'll subscribe if you like. And the quote of the day is,